In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brain dump page in Notion. A brain dump is a simple space where every thought, reminder, and half-formed idea can land the moment it pops into your head. The goal is speed over perfection. When you give your thoughts a low-friction home, you reduce mental clutter and make it easier to act on what matters later. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page in your workspace. Think of this page as an inbox for your brain. Give it a clear, no-pressure title like Brain Dump or Quick Notes. The name should invite you to type without overthinking. This isn't your final to-do list or a polished document. It's a safe place to capture everything as it comes. Inside the page, add a light structure that makes capture effortless. Bullet lists are great for quick entries because each new line becomes its own thought. Use toggles when an idea has details you don't need to see all the time, like substeps or links you might revisit. Headings can mark broad areas, such as work, personal, or learning, so your notes naturally fall into sections without strict rules. Keep the structure simple enough that it never slows you down. Now start writing. Type ideas, reminders, and tasks freely, in whatever order they arrive. Don't worry about grammar, format, or priority. Capture first, organize later. If it helps, put one idea per line so it's easier to sort and move around afterward. Add quick context when it's fresh, like the source of an idea or a link you'll want to revisit. Short verbs at the start of lines, like call, draft, or research, can make future reviews faster without requiring you to plan everything in advance. When you have a moment, add tags or simple categories to the entries you care about. Keep it lightweight. A topic, a priority, or a time frame is enough. You can type short keywords at the end of a line to make later filtering easier. The point is to help your future self recognize what's important without interrupting the capture flow. Make a habit of reviewing this page regularly. During your review, move the useful ideas into your organized systems or Notion databases, such as a task list, project tracker, or content ideas board. This is where items become actionable and get due dates, owners, or statuses. Leave anything that's still fuzzy on the brain dump page so it can evolve over time. With this rhythm, capture fast, tag lightly, review regularly. You'll keep your mind clear and your work moving.